Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia, inside the showroom checking out another absolutely gorgeous early Ford Bronco. These have been on fire. If you've been following them, you know they're one of the hottest vehicles in the collector market right now. This 75 Bronco is no exception. Absolutely gorgeous, fully restored, beautiful color. It's like an electric blue metallic. You've got the Wimbledon white grille with the red Ford letters. Beautiful paint and body. We had it wet sanded and buffed out recently. It took it to a whole nother level. It does have a 2.5-inch lift kit on it. It's got a real nice stance. Was an original sport model. The chrome side molding was taken off, I believe, at the time of restoration. This was an original Colorado Bronco. Then it moved to Nebraska and then North Carolina, so it lived a good rust-free life. Body panels are just super nice, really straight. Body panel fit overall is excellent. Beautiful color combination with the parchment white interior. You've got the stock spare tire carrier. It's got 5 matching Grabber GT or Grabber all-terrain general tires. They're practically brand new. They're 33, 12.5, 15. They ride great, nice and quiet. Under the hood, you've got a really nice rebuilt 302. Built really kind of stock specs, so it's a cruiser. Not a high horsepower, but this baby will cruise. It's got all the good stuff. It's got 4-wheel power disc brakes added. That was an expensive add-on. It's got power steering with a new power steering pump. Tilt steering column. It's a 3-speed manual. It's been moved onto the floor. It does have a new clutch. Pretty much new all around. Make sure you look at the undercarriage pictures. The floor pans look fantastic, rock solid, no rust issues on this Bronco. Nice roll bar, nice added stereo, Bluetooth capability with these really nice high-end speakers that are attached to the roll bar. I do have the matching white hardtop. It's in fantastic condition. Super nice interior. Tilt column, really nice wood grain wheel, matches up the James Duff shifter knobs on the 4-wheel drive. The transmission was also rebuilt as well as the transfer cases, so the drivetrain is fresh. Believed to be only a few thousand miles since it was completed. Nice interior door panels and rear quarter panels were added. New carpet kit, new seat belts front and rear, center console added, real nice stereo as I mentioned. Dual Flowmaster exhaust. I'll let you hear it start up and running. Electric fans to keep it running cool. Starts up with the turn of a key. Let you hear it running. Nice tone from the dual exhaust. Not too loud, but nice and throaty. Exhaust exits on either side underneath the rear quarter panels. Let you hear it. Been in the market for a nice early Ford Bronco Classic and you want a quality rig ready to hit the road, you don't want to miss out on that royal blue metallic one. It's a 75. We also will be putting this beautiful 69 on the market soon too, and it's pretty much of equal quality as well. So 2 Broncos to choose from, but this 75, pardon me, is one you don't want to miss out on. If you've got any questions, feel free to give me a call. Happy to answer any questions. Again, we do have the hardtop that will be going with it. Thanks very much. Good luck.